Hey everyone, welcome to Game 1 to is here. We're gonna be playing Minecraft PE Survival. So, I'm just gonna get boards. I got 0.12.3 Minecraft Pocket Edition as well. So, next time, 0.13.0 came out. I'm so very excited. Just gonna get some resource and survive my first night. Okay. Oh, there we go. So this is where I'm gonna place my house in episode 2. Just gonna get the resource. That's good. Stick, sword, pickaxe. Get more sticks, axe, and shovel. I need that. So I'm just gonna pick my. I'm not gonna place my house in here because I'm far away on the trees. I will come on the trees as well. Come on over here. Ooh, actually, I need waters too. Oh, whoa! I can live in this village. Okay, just gonna keep going and go in this village. Can't believe it. I found the village. I think I'm not gonna make some houses in episode 2. Hey, can I enchant on you? Hey, oh come on. Trade, not enchant. My head's getting worse. Whoa. Got an item. There we go. So this is not my tablet. This is my brother's tablet. And yeah. Whether I'm gonna leave in here. Oh, sorry. In here? Yep, I can live in here. I'm gonna place it in here. There we go. I'm just gonna decorate this. And this. Yeah. Oh, the picture's just doing it. Oh, hi there. Sorry, I need to live in here. Stop looking at. Oh, he's kind. Wow. I need a hole. Hey there. So I'm gonna plant some in here, and I need iron as well. From what? Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna place one there. So I think that will not grow because we don't have water as well. So I can mine in here. This is great. Yeah. You are welcome in this house, villagers. Okay, the others backing it up. Yep. Oh, 2 sheep. I can get that. You can live with me. Everyone just stay calm. Be cool. Okay, there you go. 2 walls. 3 villagers are in my house. So, okay. Is there any sheep in here? Okay. There's a pig, chicken. Okay, there it is. I need sheep. I need a bed. Come on. Thank you. I'm gonna get some brownies. I'm just gonna get sign, crafting sign, so I can remember my house. Hey, bed, just gonna place it down. So I should make a sunken bed. That would be great. Guys, can you please get out? Guys, get out. Guys, come on. Just don't have resource. Okay. Oh, come on. I don't want to hurt this whole village. Getting wood so I can make steps and make a sunken bed. This will take a lot of time. Or not. Thank you for closing the door. These villagers are kind. So just can you please get under, Mr. Villager? Can you please get out? Or not? Please. Just gonna hunt slugs. Oh, that's not sunken. Oh, it's sunken. Okay, just stop looking at me, guys. I don't want to kill you guys. Please. Just gonna put this. Just like that. And it's just like sunken. I think. Is this okay, guys? Where's my bed? Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, it's sunken. Okay. Just gonna break the door. Break this. And this too. Okay, just gonna plug in there. And that's great. Oh, can you please get out? The other villagers are... Oh, thank you. You listen to me. Oh dear. Not again. So, I'm just gonna break this glass. Please step in there. Break. Okay. I think my... Oh, it's not really growing. Why? Can you get out, please? Please. Okay. You're warning me to get out in here, but... Okay. You can stay in there if you want. Sunken bed. Okay, this makes me not good. If I just get out of here. Okay. I should get some potatoes. 4 potatoes. 7 potatoes. And 9 potatoes. Just gonna plant more. There we go. I got 6 potatoes. Guys, please get out in my house. You're mocking me, guys. Oh, come on. Hey! Just put this. There we go. Ah! Okay, guys, get out now. Stop dancing in my bed. I'm warning you. Okay, we'll just go in here. They're gone. Yeah, it worked. You can stay there if you want. Okay, there you go. Oh, I need resource. Coming, just. So I'm just gonna sleep now. Okay. There it is now. Let me check the villagers. Oh, the villagers are talking or breathing. Or okay, stop. Okay. So that's all, guys. In episode 2, I will be continuing this survival. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.